Interior detailing is just one of the many services we offer here at Chicago Auto Pros. In this video, I'm gonna go over how the pricing works and what comes with our interior detailing service. This service is not a flat rate service because every car and the condition of the vehicle may be different. For example, if you have a Tesla that you take care of, maintain, you don't let your dog sit in the car, it may only take us 2.5 hours to fully interior detail that car. Compared to somebody that may have the same vehicle that has a dog living in there, they have kids, they spill coffee and food all over the place, this detail might take 4.5 hours to complete, and it's not fair for you to charge one flat rate price. Our price starts at $250. This is for 2.5 hours worth of work on your vehicle, and most cars that are well maintained and taken care of, we can get them done within that 2.5 hour range. If you have a dirty vehicle, you have dog hair in there, you have spills, you have a lot of salt within the carpets, you have a bigger SUV, you have a bigger truck, anything that's gonna take longer, we're gonna charge you accordingly. So it's $100 an hour. So if the detail ends up taking 5 hours, you would be charged $500 when you come pick that up. We do use the latest technology, products, and tools, and we train our technicians to be as efficient as possible so we can get this service done as fast as we can. We are able to look at the vehicle and give you a rough estimate of how long the interior detail is going to take on your particular car. Our interior detail starts with a premium hand wash on the exterior. It then gets pulled into our detail bay. We start by vacuuming the car and blowing out everything with compressed air. In between the seats themselves, all the compartments, nooks and crannies, all of it. We take your personal belongings and we'll put them into individual bags. We do recommend that you take your personal belongings out before you bring the car to us. It's just going to save us some time so we don't have to do that. We then meticulously clean everything in the car, the dash, the cup holders, the navigation, all the seats, the headliner, the carpets, the fabrics. Everything in the car will be cleaned, including the trunk and where the spare tire lives. After we get done cleaning everything, we condition with a leather conditioner and a UV conditioner. We wipe this down on all of the plastic, the rubber, the vinyl, the leather seats, even the seals on the outside of the door. This is a non-greasy product. It leaves it very natural and very new looking. It's not gonna be sticky, it's not gonna be greasy, it's not gonna collect dust. We're gonna finish by cleaning the glass and doing a final inspection to make sure everything is absolutely clean. And if the carpets were a little bit dirty and we had to get aggressive and use a carpet extractor, if they're still wet, we're gonna put a fan in there to help dry out those carpets. And this time is not counted towards the time that you would be charged for the detail. We just want to make sure that those carpets are absolutely dry before you take your vehicle. This is a one-day service. If you're able to drop it off in the morning, we can usually get it back to you in the afternoon. If you have any questions, if you want to get on the schedule, please contact us. We'll get you on that schedule. We'll get your car cleaned. You're going to be happy. It's going to smell great. If you want, you can fill out the free estimate form on the website. We'll get back to you and get your car clean. Look forward to working with you.